Hello my dear people, welcome back. In this video, we are going to install Pandas in our system. Then we will learn everything about Pandas data structure, which is a series. So before starting the video, only 9% of you are subscribed to our channel. Most of the people are watching the videos without subscribing the channel. So we request you to please subscribe our channel. If there are more subscribers, our channel will grow more quickly and we will be reachable to more new audience. Then we will make more this type of interesting videos. So please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell notifications. So let us start the video. Let us dive into Pandas series, one of the two core data structures in Pandas. What is Pandas series? A series is a one-dimensional labeled array capable of handling data of any type like integer, float, string, objects, etc. Think of it like a single column in an Excel sheet or as a Python list with labels or indices. Okay, now let us see how to install Pandas in our computer. On your PC, search for Pycharm. Open Pycharm. So Pycharm interface will be in this way. Now click on New Project. Here rename the project folder. I have named my project as Python Learning. Now here click on Create. Wait for a few seconds. A virtual environment will be created. Maximize this window. So virtual environment is created. Minimize this .venv folder. So now let us create a Python file. Right click on this Pandas Learning. Click on New. Click on Python file. Enter name of the file as Series Learning. So Series Learning Python file is created. Now we need to install Pandas. There are two ways of installing Pandas in your PC. First approach is through command prompt. Let us see it. Here on the bottom left side, you will find terminal. Click on it. There enter the command pip install pandas. Click on enter. Wait for few seconds. Pandas will be installed. Here bottom you will find indexing. It indicates that updating the indices and background tasks for Pandas. See, here you will find successfully installed NumPy and Pandas. So here click on this minus to minimize this section. So now you have seen installing Pandas through terminal. Now let us see another way to install Pandas, which is through packages. Here on the left side you will find Python packages. Click on it. Here you will find Pandas. Click on it. It is already installed. Now click on uninstall. So Pandas is uninstalled. For example, if you want to install Pandas directly through this way, then search Pandas here. Here you will find Pandas. Click on install. Then you will find all different versions available. Now select the version you want and click on it. So installation of Pandas will be started. You can find here. Click on it. Installing package Pandas. Wait for few seconds. Pandas will be installed on your PC. Then you can use that Pandas in your code to learn Pandas. See, Pandas is installed. Here you can find package Pandas installed. So minimize this section. Now we need to import Pandas into our code file. So type the command import Pandas as PD. So import Pandas will import Pandas as PD. As is nothing but alias. Alias is nothing but using Pandas every time we feel like a very big word with 6 alphabets. Instead, you can rename it as a PD, which is a short form of Pandas, so that you can use PD wherever you want to use Pandas. So it is like a nickname or alias. Okay, let me copy the code which I have prepared to explain you. So now we need to install NumPy also. I hope you know NumPy basics so that we can use NumPy in series also. First of all, how to create series in Pandas. So there are different approaches to create Python series. Now let us learn one by one. First approach is creating a series from a Python list. So here you will see data equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, which is a list. So pd.series. pd.series is a Python method to create series. So pd.series must enclose a list which is data, then it will return a series, so which we are assigning to the variable yes. Now we want to see how a series will be. Then you need to put breakpoint here, and now we need to debug this code to see what's happening. Right click on the empty screen, click on debug series learning. So here under series learning, here you will find step over button. On clicking this, the current execution will move from current line to the next line. You can see it with horizontal blue highlight line. Click on this step over. Blue highlighted line will move from line number 6 to line number 7. Click on it. So till here data is created as a list of 10, 20, 30, 40. Now step over, then a series is created through pd.series of data. Now let us see how. Again click on step over. Now series is printed on console. So now click on console. See, here you will find it is a Python series. So now I hope you got clarity about series. Series is nothing but a single column in an Excel with indices like index value 0, 1, 2, 3. So here data type indicates that all the values of the series are of int64 format. Okay, now we can find indices like 0, 1, 2, 3. For example, if you want to assign indices like ABCD, then while creating the series, you need to mention index equal to ABC so that the indices 0, 1, 2 will be replaced with ABC. Now let us see. Printing. See, A equal to 10, B 20, C 30. So indices 0, 1, 2, 3 are replaced with ABC. This is how you need to assign indices to a series. Now another way of creating a Pandas series is using dictionary. I hope you know dictionary is nothing but a collection of key value pairs. Key will be assigned with a value. So couple of key value pairs enclosed under curly braces will create a dictionary. So pd.series of a dictionary will create a series from a dictionary. See, on line number 15 you will find series made from dictionary. Printing them you will find same ABC equal to 100, 200, 300. So which is created from a dictionary. Now if you want to assign a single value for multiple rows of a series, then you need to use pd.series of 5 index equal to whatever you want like ABC or XYZ or Alice, Bob and Ram in this way. See, here indices are XYZ but all the values are same, which is 5. So it is nothing but assigning a scalar value to all the rows of a series with custom indices. Now let us see how to access elements from a series. For example, if you want to access only one element from the series, then how we need to do it? Let us see. First of all, I am creating a series from dictionary. Let us see how it is. On printing it, ABCD 100, 200, 300 and 100. So it is a series. Now I want to access 100 which is of index A. Then you need to use series with square brackets. In that square brackets, you need to mention the index like string of A. Then it will access the value corresponding to the index string of A. Let's print it. See, 100 is printed. So it is how you need to access using custom label. Now if you want to access same 100 without using custom label, then how we need to get it? Simple. Just use its position value. Where is that custom label? A is located in that series at the 0 index, right? So in the square bracket, just to mention the position value which is 0, then you will get 100 as it is. See, you got 100 which is of index A. So now you want to access multiple values from a series using labels. Then just you need to mention in the square brackets, again square brackets. In that square bracket, you need to mention list of indices to access multiple values. For example, I want values of A and B. Then in the square brackets, I will mention list of A, B. Then I will get those values corresponding to A and B. See, here the series with A and B is printed. Okay, now let us see filtering a series. For example, if there are 100 number of rows, you want to find only few rows matching to the given condition, then you need to use filters. Filtering a series is simpler when you know the logic. Let us see. I want to get the values which are greater than 150. So in the square brackets, you need to mention the condition like yes greater than 150. It indicates that it iterates over all the rows of the series, and for every iteration it checks if corresponding row value is greater than 150 or not. If it is true, it will print, else it will not print. Let us see. See, B 100 and C 300. First iteration, it will check for A. A value is 100, which is less than 150, which is false. So it will ignore. B has 200, which is greater than 150. It will accept true. It will print. In this way, B and C has values greater than 150. Only those two values are filtered from the series and we have accessed them. Now let us see arithmetic operations. For example, for every value of the series, you want to add 10. Then simply you can add 10 to the series and assign to itself. Like S equal to S plus 10. It will add 10 to every value of the series. Let us print it. See, 110, 210, 310, again 110. 10 is added to every value of the series. For example, if you want to multiply by 2, simply S equal to S into 2. Let us print it. See, 110 has become 220, 210 has become 420, 310 has become 620. So which are multiplied by 2. In this way you can do arithmetic operations. You can do subtraction also like S equal to S minus 10. Division also like S equal to S by 2. So in this way you can use arithmetic operators on series. Now let us see statistical functions, which are aggregate functions. Now let us find sum of all the values of series, then we need to use series dot sum. Dot sum method will find the sum of all the values of the series. Let us print it. See, 1480 is the sum of all the above values of series. Now, if you want to find average of all the values of the series, then you need to use dot mean method. Dot mean method will find the mean value or average value of the series. Let us see. See, 370 is the average value of all the elements present in that series. For example, if you want to find out the maximum value in the series, then use dot max method. It will find out the maximum element in the series. Let us see. See, 620 is the maximum of 220, 420, 620, 220. It is how you need to use max. If you want to use minimum, then use dot min method. Okay, now let us see some useful methods. Data analysis. For example, if there are many rows in the series like 120, 220 rows, now you want to see only 5 which are top 5, then you need to use dot head method. Dot head method will return the top 5 elements of the given series. Let us see. See, as our series contains only 4 elements, we got all those 4. For example, if you want to access top 2, then you need to enter value in that head method. So now let us see how to evaluate, how to execute the code fragment using evaluate expression. Now here you can find 3 dots. Click on it. You will find evaluate expression, and the shortcut for evaluate expression is Alt F8. So click on it. A dialog box will be opened. Evaluate. Double click on it and drag it. Place it here. Now expand it and maximize it. So I need this type of area to analyze the code fragments. Now I want to access top 2 values of the series. Then I will see print of s dot head of. Here you need to enter the value, like how many rows you want to see. I want only top 3. Click on evaluate. Here on the console you will see top 3. Now if you want to see only top 1, head of 1, click on evaluate. See, here you will find only 1, top 1. So it is how you need to evaluate any piece of code while you are executing, like evaluate using code fragment, which is evaluate expression. Now you have learnt about accessing top rows. For example, you want to find out only bottom rows, like you want to access bottom 5 rows, then you need to use dot tail method. Dot tail method will give bottom rows of the given data series. Let us see. See, tail will return bottom 5. As our series has only 4 values, we got all the 4. Now let us evaluate it using code fragment evaluate expression. Click on Alt plus F8. Evaluate window is opened. Just clean everything. Now enter print s dot tail of 2. Now you will get only C and D. Click on evaluate. See, here you got only bottom 2. So in this way you can access bottom rows of a series using dot tail method. Okay, till now we have seen many things about series. Now let us learn sorting the series. Sorting is nothing but arranging the values of the series in any particular order, like increasing order or decreasing order of the values. So in order to do so, use dot sort underscore values method. This dot sort values method will sort the series by default in ascending order, like from smaller to bigger. See, actually series is in this way. You can find 220 on bottom, A has 220 and D has 220, which is a jumble order of values. Now after sorting, it will be sorted into a particular order, like ascending. Click on step over. See, D has came up because we have sorted in default method, like ascending order. For example, if you want to sort values in descending order, then in the sort values method, you need to mention ascending equal to false. By default, ascending will be true. Manually, you need to enter ascending equal to false. Then series will be sorted in descending order. Let us see. See, series is sorted in descending order. Now I want to show you a tricky thing here. Open evaluate expression using Alt plus F8. Enter yes and click on evaluate. Here you will find view as series. Click on this. See, you can drag this box left side. So it is the series. You can see, you know that previously just now we have sorted the series, but here you will find series is in jumble order because sort function will not sort the original series. It will return the series which is sorted. It will not assign the series. You will get some clarity. Just wait. So now we know that series is not sorted. Now we need to assign s dot values ascending equal to false. Remove it first of all. See, click on evaluate. Now open the view as series. See, it is now sorted in descending order, but here result you will find result is series. It indicates that this method sort values will return the series. It will not sort the series in place. It will return, not in place sorting. So here we have seen sort values, it has returned. But if you see just yes and click on evaluate. Open series. See, it is not sorted in place. So in order to sort in place, you need to use dot sort values in place equal to true. This in place equal to false will be by default. Now you need to manually enter true. In place equal to true, which will sort the data frame originally. Click on evaluate. Now see here result is none. Previously result was series because dot sort values without in place equal to true will return series. It will not sort in place. In place true will sort the series in place originally. It will return none because it is sorted original series. Now remove and enter yes. Click on evaluate. Now view as series. See, data frame is sorted originally in place. So it is the difference between in place, using in place and without using in place. Okay, for example, here you can see 220 is 2 times. In this way you want to find the count of values, like frequency of values. Then you need to use dot value underscore counts method. This method will count the values like hash map. As hash map will return key and its count, then in the same way value counts will return values and their frequency. See, 222, 621 and 421. So it is a value, it has occurred 2 times. For example, while you are writing code, you get an error. Just you need to copy the code and copy the error, give it to the ChatGPT and ask it. It will resolve your code mistake or error. So every concept taught in this video must be practiced. So please practice while watching this video, and I hope you find these videos are very useful. If you find these videos are interesting and if you are learning something from our channel, please subscribe our channel and share this video among your friends or among your WhatsApp groups, so that we will get more reach, we'll get more new viewers. Then our channel will grow. Then we will make more such type of interesting videos. So please subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for the more interesting videos. So stay tuned and practice everything. Thank you for watching.